So hi friends, next topic is recognition of tokens. So recognition of tokens, how we will recognize the tokens. So there are 5 types of recognition. So first one is recognition of identifiers, second one is recognition of delimiter, third one is recognition of keywords, fourth one is recognition of relational operator, fifth one is recognition of numbers. Okay, first one is identifier, delimiter, keyword, relational operator, numbers. Now we will see the first one, recognition of the identifier. So identifier means what we'll consider the letters. Okay, letters small a to z and capital A to z. Coming to the digits 0 to 9. And coming to the what is actually identifier consisting of? Identifier consisting of letter or digit. The combination of letter or digit. Okay. See, for this recognition of identifier, if we will draw the transition diagram, how it will looks. So the start symbol, it will start with the 0 initial table. Next letter will move to the next state, that is 1. Okay. Next letter, digit, star. Star means 0 or more occurrences. Means 0 or more occurrences. Letter or digit. Okay. Letter or digit. 0 is the initial state. Letter will move to the next state 1. Okay. And letter or digit, star means self loop. So only we have these two states. This is the initial state, then this is the final state. Initial state and the final state. Okay. So recognition of identifier, how it will be done? So identifier will consisting of small a to z and capital A to z. Letter 0 to 9. So what is the identifier in the form of letter? A letter means, for example, see one example you can understand easily. For example, I am taking that A, B, C, 1, 2. This is my identifier. Okay. My identifier. How will write? 0. Then take this one identifier A. Okay, 1. P. C. Like that. Okay, you will draw the transition diagram. See, for example, if it will consisting of a loop here, you will end here only, and then it will be consisting of self loop BC1 2 star. This is the final state. This is the initial state. Okay, see the example ABC, BC1 2 star. Then this is the 0 or more occurrences. First state, initial state. With the 0, it will move to the next state. That is the final state, BC1 2 star. Okay.